Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can record screen with OBS Studio, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the OBS Studio on your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, click on Settings button at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to the Output section. Make sure that the output mode is simple, then change the output format to anything you like. Personally, I prefer MP4. Then change the encoder to hardware if available. If it isn't available, select the software encoder. Then go to the audio section, change and set the microphone or speaker devices to the ones you use. Now click on video. Make sure that the output is set to your preferred resolution and also change the FPS to 60 if you like smooth videos. You can also set hotkeys to start and stop recording and other things quickly. After settings up everything, add a source and it is going to be display capture. Then just click on start recording. And that's how you can record screen with OBS Studio. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.